Hey, Mbote! Welcome to Lingala Academy channel, the best place to learn Lingala language easier and faster. If this is your first time watching this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel by activating the notification so you never miss our future videos. Alright, let's get started. In this video, you will learn how to say cautious and be careful. Cautious in Lingala is angele, angele or keba, keba. Be careful in Lingala is sala angele, sala angele or sala keba, sala keba. Example: be cautious with your tongue. Be cautious with your tongue is sala angele na lolemo na yo. Sala angele na lolemo na yo. Sentences using the words cautious and be careful. Examples: be careful with bad companies. In Lingala is keba na baninga ya mabe. Keba na baninga ya mabe. Be careful using that knife. In Lingala, there are two ways of saying it. The first is sala angele na mbeli ozo salela. Sala angele na mbeli ozo salela. The second is sala keba na mbeli ozali kosalela. Sala keba na mbeli ozali kosalela. Be cautious with your steps. Sala keba na makolo na yo. Be cautious to not offend others. Be cautious to not offend others. Sala angele ozokisa baninga te. Sala angele ozokisa baninga te. And the last example is be careful with the food you eating. Be careful with the food you eating in Lingala is keba na biloko ozali kolia. Keba na biloko ozali kolia. This is the end of this video. If you like it and you like the work that we're doing, please hit the like button, share this video with your friend, family, and anyone you want to learn Lingala with. Also, comment below to show your love and support to keep us motivated to bring you more quality lessons. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the ring so we send you all the notifications whenever we upload a new lesson. And make sure you also add us on Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, because we also send notifications there and we send some stuff that you guys cannot find here on YouTube. If you want to support us financially to buy new equipment to bring you more quality lessons, you can donate on paypal.com/Lingala Academy, or you can also donate on patreon.com/Lingala Academy. Thank you and see you next time. Also subscribe to my comedy channel, De Love Gracias, on YouTube, so you can watch the comedy that we already made, laugh, and learn Lingala. You can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Snapchat by typing De Love Gracias.
the love. Gracias. Have fun.